Hello class 8. Your next chapter is chapter number 3, microorganism. In this chapter, we will discuss on the different types of microorganisms present on entire earth. Isn't it? So microorganisms are very minute organism, or we can say very tiny tiny organism that can be seen only by microscope. That cannot be seen by naked eyes. Isn't it? That organisms only seen by the microscope only. Without the help of microscope, we can't see this microorganism. So, what is this microorganism? Microorganisms are the organisms which can be seen by only microscope. So, microscope are the organisms which can be seen by microscope. And what is this microscope? We will see this later, but first is the microorganism. See, micro means very minute and very tiny. Micro means very tiny, and its value is 10 to the power minus 6 meter. 1 micron is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 micron. It is quite very small, that is not seen by naked eyes, isn't it? That is the micro. And microorganisms are very minute organisms that cannot be seen by naked eyes. These are ubiquitous. Microorganisms are ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means what? Everywhere. That they are found everywhere. Say like soil, air, water, or whatever the material is there, they are found everywhere. Microorganisms found everywhere in the earth, isn't it? Clear? So microorganisms are the organisms which can be seen by only microscope, by using microscope. And microscope is the instrument which is used to see very tiny objects or tiny organisms. Clear? Is it clear? So in that, the first microorganism is algae. In your book, the first microorganism is algae. What is this algae? As I have already told you that it is a microorganism, very tiny, minute particle, or we can say very minute organism, which is only seen inside the microscope. We are not able to see algae directly, isn't it, with the naked eye. So what are these algae? Where these type of organisms found, isn't it? That is, we will be seeing this part. So what is this algae? Algae are nothing but microscopic organisms. They are simple plant-like organisms. They are what? They are very small plant-like organism which photosynthesize. Stick on this word, photosynthesize. Photosynthesize means what? They are able to produce their own food. Plant, you know, plant can do photosynthesis. As like as plant, these algae are also photosynthesize their own food, or they are able to perform photosynthesis in their body. That's why they are considered as plant-like organisms. That's why they are considered as plant-like organisms, which are very small, plant-like, and which are able to photosynthesize. Clear? Is it clear, all of you? Out of these, in spite of these, they are very small size. Their shapes are varies. Their shape varies according to the habitat. They found everywhere. Is it clear? And they are able to produce they are or they can reproduce sexually and asexually. Is that clear? So what are algae? Algae are small plant-like organisms which photosynthesize or which are able to perform photosynthesis. They can reproduce sexually and asexually. Is it clear, all of you? So these are algae. Now, on the basis of, we can say, color or on the morphological aspect, algae are of various types. Say green algae, brown algae, diatoms, red algae, blue algae. These are the morphological aspect of algae that says algae having different colors. On the basis of color, we can say algae having different types. So types of algae. In that, first is green algae. Second is brown algae. And third one is red algae. Here types of algae are green algae, brown algae and red algae. So what is this green algae? Green, you know plant are green. Why they are green? Because they have specific pigment present in them, that is the chlorophyll. If plant have chlorophyll, some algae also having some pigment in their body. On the basis of pigmentation, their color decide. Is it clear? On the basis of pigmentation or pigment present in their body, the color of the algae is decided. Say green algae. Why it is green? Because of the presence of chlorophyll. They are having chlorophyll in their body, that's why they are considered as green algae. Clear? These are found inside fresh water. Location of the green algae is they are found in fresh water. Green algae found in fresh water. Is it clear? Say example. Green algae example is Chlamydia monas and Volvox Spirogyra. Spirogyra, Volvox and Chlamydia monas. These are the green algae examples. Spirogyra, Volvox and Chlamydia monas. Here, these are the green algae because they synthesize, or we can say they have pigment chlorophyll in them. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, they are considered as green algae. They are found inside the fresh water. Clear? Now second is the brown algae. Brown algae, these algae have additional pigment which mask the green color of chlorophyll. These having additional pigment other than the chlorophyll. Is it clear? Means green having chlorophyll, that's why they are green. Brown having different pigment, due to this they are brown. Is it clear? So due to the presence of other pigment than chlorophyll, they are considered as brown algae. Clear? Say example. इसके example देखिए आप seaweeds. Seaweeds are some example of brown algae. Clear? And the sargasso. Sargasso sea owes its name to brown algae or sargassum. Sargassum. This is one another example of brown algae. Seaweed and sargassum. Clear? Now the next is the red algae. These red algae are marine. Their we can say location is marine. They are mostly found inside the marine bodies. So we can say ocean. Isn't it? Marine body means what? Ocean or sea. Clear? Now, why they are red? because they don't have chlorophyll in them. That's why they are having another pigment in their body, that is, we can say, due to the presence of that particular pigment, they are considered as red algae in spite of chlorophyll. Clear? Now, example of this red algae, sorry, something is missing. Sargassum and now blue green algae. One more is there, blue green algae. Example is cyanobacteria. It is one more another type of algae, that is blue green algae. That example is cyanobacteria other than the green. So these are the four algae mostly seen, that is the green algae, brown algae, red algae, blue green algae. Here there is no example further seen in the red algae, so I will give you in the next class. Now see, so these are the algae. तो इतना क्लियर है, algae are small plant-like organism which photosynthesize their own food. They can reproduce sexually and asexually. Types of algae: green algae, example Spirogyra, Verbex, Chlamydomonas. Here they have pigment called chlorophyll. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, they are green. Again, they are found in fresh water. Brown algae, example seaweed, sargassum. Here marine habitat, they are found in marine habitat. Red algae, they are found in marine habitat, isn't it? They have another pigment, that is, due to the presence of that pigment, they are red algae. Blue green algae, cyanobacteria, example cyanobacteria. These are also found inside the ocean. Here, now the function of, or we can say, usefulness, or we can say useful algae. There are two aspects of algae we are seeing, that is, some of the algae are useful for us and some are harmful also. So on the basis of usefulness and harmfulness, they are considered as useful algae and harmful algae. In that, first we will see useful algae. First, a gummy substance called algae. A gummy substance called algae obtained from can. It is obtained from can. Okay, and it is used to thicken ice cream. Where it is used, algae is used to thicken. It is used to thicken ice cream, or we can say it is used in ice cream. Here, algae is obtained from algae. Okay, or we can say can of the algae. It is a gummy substance, and it used inside the ice cream, or we can say it is used in ice cream to thicken them. Clear? Next, this algae is also used in shaving cream and also in cosmetics item. Clear? So three important product contain algae. Algae is the substance obtained from the algae, and this algae is used in cosmetics, ice cream, and shaving cream. Clear? This is the one usefulness of algae. Second, Some algae are used in the preparation of medicine. In medicine, for the preparation of medicine, some algae are used. Clear? Synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers are made from algae. Some synthetic fibers are made from algae. Next, iodine and potassium are obtained from can. Obtained from can. Iodine and potassium, these are nothing but these are the elements found inside the can, or these are obtained from the can, or can is nothing but algae. Clear? Next, important use of algae is the agar. Agar is a jelly substance or jelly-like substance. It is a jelly-like substance. Agar is a jelly-like substance which is used in the laboratory for the preparation of agar medium. Clear? This is a jelly-like substance. Agar is a jelly-like substance which is used in the preparation of medium for providing growth and development, or growth and development of the microorganism. Is it clear? This is a jelly-like substance in which microorganism and tissue are cultured. It is a jelly-like substance in which microorganism and tissue are cultured. Yes. So culturing is done inside the agar medium. Or agar is jelly-like substance. Clear? Next, use of algae is the diatoms. What is that? Diatom are fascinating group of algae. They are mostly unicellular and have infinite range of forms. Clear? They are found in the freshwater and marine habitats. Their shell wall are made up of silica. They are made up of silica. Their shell wall is made up of silica. Clear? When they die, the silica accumulate at the bottom of lakes, rivers, and sea to form siliceous earth. Large mass of diatom floating in the sea are called planktons. So the use of diatom is that their shell deposited on the bed of lake and sea are used to make glass. It is used to make glass, porcelain and ceramics. The use of diatom is in the preparation of glass, porcelain and ceramics. Clear? Next, certain red algae are eaten in China and Japan. Some algae are eaten by some organism, or we can say human beings, in China and in Japan. Clear? So these are the useful algae which is used in various industries as well as in the various fields by the organism. Clear? Thank you.